Small table, big moments. 5 4-seater dining sets for cozy meals and tight spaces. First, HUAHUU dining table set extendable, $250. An extendable 4-seater set that gives you extra surface when guests arrive but stays compact day to day. Great for apartments and multi-purpose rooms. Expand for guests, shrink for everyday life. If flexibility matters and you occasionally host, this set saves space without sacrificing function. Second, IRONCK dining table set upholstered chairs. $300. A dining set with comfortable upholstered chairs that bring cushion support to every meal. The soft seats pair with a durable table surface for family-style dining that's cozy and stylish. Choose this if comfort and long dinner conversations are priorities. Third, dining extendable kitchen backrest assembly. $280. An extendable dining table with supportive backrest chairs designed for everyday comfort and occasional hosting. The assembler-friendly design makes it renter-friendly and quick to set up. If you want a neat balance of ergonomics and adaptability, this set is a solid middle ground option. Fourth, IRONCK dining kitchen upholstered apartment. $320. A compact dining solution built for apartments with upholstered seating for extra comfort, attractive, durable, and sized for tight kitchens. It's ideal when you want a cohesive dining corner that looks finished and invites lingering meals. Pick this to elevate small space dining. Fifth, Tribesigns 47-inch kitchen pedestal farmhouse. $200. A 47-inch farmhouse-style pedestal table with room for 4 classic lines, sturdy build, and a modest footprint. The pedestal base gives legroom and a charming aesthetic for casual family meals. Choose this for timeless style that fits smaller dining areas perfectly.